morning, students. So today I am going to see about Domestric and in last class we have seen about the various tables as well as switches. So what are the various types of switches for your study? So switches mainly used to make or break the electrical circuit. Mainly we will be using this for on and off the gas. Okay. And so what are the various types of switches? Surface switches. Yes. So we can be able to easily fix on the surface of the help of wooden or a plastic set of boxes. And then next is will be a touch type. So mostly we will be using for where we are going to use it. Decorative purpose we are going to use it. And next one is a wet switches. Okay, wet switches. So we will be normally using it as a two-way switch like that. And then the next type of switch is the ceiling switch. And then next is a push button switch. And then push switch. So these are the various varieties of the switches. So apart from these set of switches, we have a surface switch which is divided into a one-way switch, two-way switch, as well as an intermediate switch. Okay, one-way switch normally we will be using for all the purposes, and we can either switch on or switch off. So if we are doing the switch on, then the circuit will automatically will be making it as a closed loop. Okay, closed circuit. Then the current flow will pass through the circuit, and we can suppose we will be connecting a particular load. Either it can be a fan, light, or AC, any type of appliances we can able to connect it. The particular will function. If it is in off state, then the electrical circuit it will not connect. It will be in an open state. So none of the things is connected to the switch. It will not pop. Okay. Then what is the second one? Yes, other purpose we have studied that two-way switch. We have already studied it. We have already studied in a where? In a lab. Static we have studied. Okay. So two-way switch we will normally be using for the bed purpose also. Okay. So what is the use of a two-way switch? So one lamp will be controlled by the two. It is controlled by the two switches. It will be located in the two different locations. And for the intermediate, it is also similar to the two-way, but we can able to control the control it from the more than two locations. So there is a difference. And apart from that, we have other type of switches. What are the other type of switches? Single pole switch, single pole, then double pole, single pole switch, double pole switch. So yesterday we have seen what is a single pole and single throw. So it is only a single terminal. It is connected to only one terminal. Okay, it is joining the two terminals. This is the first one, and the next one is there are only single, and there are two different terminals. So we will be having this type of a fan. Okay, then from the energy meter, we will be connecting the various set of networks. See, we have a various. So in this room we have a normally we will be having a three networks, 1, 2, and then 3. Okay. So we will be having a various set of network. From the energy meter, we will be connecting a various set of energy boxes. So in that boxes, junction boxes, we will be having this type of boxes, jackets. Okay, and then that points we can able to connect various set of appliances. We can able to connect a AC, fridge, or any water heater, any showers. So whatever the appliances requires the electricity power, so we will be able to connect via this jacket. Okay, and then so in the inside of this we have a connections. Inside this box we have a connections. Various set of switches and jackets which is connected to this set of boxes. Okay, and then here the connection shows us as a ring net. Okay, so using this energy, this is nothing but a consumer box, or we can call it as a fuse box. So using this box, we are connecting the various set of this type of boxes. Okay, in a various rooms we will be connecting this various appliances. Okay, like fan, AC, fridge, and whatever the thing we are going to use it, we will be using the type of this type of boxes. Okay, so here some type of two set of lights which is connected here. This is a light. This. So from this, so each set of appliances which is connected to the wires. Okay. So what is a wire? What is the use of a wire? It carries the electricity. Okay. So wire is a single conductor and a cables. Cables which has several wires. Okay. So in order to transmit and distribute the power from the one place to the another place, we have cables. Okay. So here for the domestic wiring systems, normally we will be having a 3-wire cables. What are they? What are the 3-wire cables? Tell them. Yes, very good. Like neutral. So here we will be drawing a 3 set of wires. What are the 3 set of wires? One is neutral. Neutral, very good. Neutral, line, yeah. Okay. So here we are going to see a 3-wire system. What are they? One is the light, then neutral, and then third one is the okay. That's a 3 set of wire. What is the meaning of live wire? So through the live wire only we can able to pass the current. Yes. So this is called as a, we can call this a base wire or a line wire. So this wire which is made up of a the line wire which is also called as a phase wire. Why it is also called as a phase wire? Since it carries a electricity phase. And then so through this wire only the electrical power will be transmitted to what? Various set of switches. And then next this wire is mainly made up of a copper And then for the next set of wires are earth wire, earth wire, so what's the use of earth wire? So to protect the So V and V. We are going to measure out the voltage in this lamp 1 and lamp 2. So here the voltage will be the same. Okay. So that you are connecting the two different set of lamps using the parallel connections, there will be no variations in the voltage. So both the bulbs are flowing brightly. Isn't it? Now do you understand why it is flowing brightly? Since for parallel connections, the voltage will be the same in both the lamps, and the current will be the different one, I1 and then I2. Okay. And for series circuit connection, here the current will be the same and voltage will be the different. So you can remember any one case, the other one will be a test output. Okay. You can remember the any one case. So for the series connection, you can easily remember the current will be the same. If the current will be the same, the voltage will be test output. It will be different. Okay. V1, V2 represents that as a different one. Okay. And for the parallel, just the reverse. The current will be the different for the parallel and voltage will be the same. So if whatever the voltage, amount of voltage we are applying for this, the same thing will be going to this also. Okay. So the same amount of brightness we are going to get it in parallel connections. But the series will be a different connection. So here the current will be the same and voltage will be different. So we are getting a dim set of a lowness in the lamp. Okay. For the industry based electrical wiring. Yes. So we are not going to use the same set of domestic electrical wiring we use for the electrical wiring. Why? Since the industry requires more amount of hours, they will be having many different set of machines which requires more amount of voltage. So normally for the industry we are using a kilowatts terms of a voltage. Okay, we will be having the kilowatts. These type of kilowatts. These are the standard one, 22 or 33 or 66 or 132. So these are the various standards of the voltage we will be following for the Yes. So where we are going to generate a power. Normally, suppose we are going to generate powers in terms of kilowatts. So already we can see various rates of powers. So 9 kilowatts. The type of wind or thermal or solar or the type of water we are going to generate. We will be having a various set of power stations in various places and we will be generating a power. So the power rating will differs based on the available sources. Okay. So we will be generating some amount of power. So this amount of it may be not necessary that it will be generating only in kilowatts. It may be in terms of megawatts also. Megawatts also being into generated. So through this generating stations, we are obtaining some amount of power and then the type of transformer. So what is the use of a transformer? What is the use of a transformer? Yes.